The episode opens with a tiny itch on Maya's nose, her wide eyes narrowing as she softly pokes it with a tiny finger and pulls a goofy, puzzled expression. A sudden sneeze bursts forth, sending giggles bouncing through the softly lit nursery as she wobbles and softly tumbles onto a plush rug. She rolls with the moment, turning the stumble into a playful game and counting her own clumsy spins with wide, delighted smiles. Her pastel onesie features a real idiom connecting the moment to sweetness and surprise as she discovers a tiny snack on a toy plate. A moment of triumph unmarred by mischief. The scene fades on a warm amber glow as Maya waves at the camera, inviting viewers to join her next tiny adventure.